Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. I'm hoping you all are doing fine. So guys, most of the students already know about the historical decision taken by Government of India. So guys, now CA, CS or CMA can become a partner in a firm. So this is the historical decision which from long time these professional bodies are waiting for this decision, and yes, finally government has taken that decision. Now what will be the consequences, what will be the benefit for all these professional bodies? Apart from this, yes, other profession can also become the partner, but my focus is on more on CA, CS and CMA, and what will be the benefit for CMA fraternity who want to start their own practice firm. So I will discuss in this video all the impact. Okay, so guys, please understand, all the bodies like client will also get the benefit for this reason. CMA, CS and CMA practicing candidate can also take the benefit from this form. We can easily understand. For example, a client who is a big giant, okay, who is dealing in a manufacturing industry, service industry, in which he require the you can say the consultancy work of CS, CS or CMA, company law related work, compliance related work. So guys, at under one roof, he can take the benefit of all these three professional bodies. Okay. Apart from this, you can also understand the easily. For example, a CMA intermediate or final candidate, I have also observed the same thing during my CMA intermediate journey. One of my friend take IDT class from Lakshmi Nagar, accounts class from ITO, and DT class from Patel Nagar. Okay, so he need to spend traveling time, traveling money, or tiredness. So please understand that now with this benefit under a one roof, CA, CS, and CMA come together and provide their professional services. Okay, it will you can say that, for example, you recently qualified CMA and you want to start your own practice firm, but you need to understand that in the earlier stage you have to pay the rent, you have to pay the electricity, you have to pay the salary to the or a stipend to the CMA article. Okay, but for example, suppose your other friend who has recently qualified CA or some other friend who has recently qualified CS, those candidates also want to start their own practice firm. So you as a combination can start the practice firm. The benefit of this that the rent will distributed in these three candidates. Okay, the electricity, the stipend amount. Okay, under one roof you can share your knowledge. Okay, and you can in the earlier stage in which you have to pay the running cost, so you can also save the running cost. So this is the good decision which I can assure that to a fresher qualified who want to start their own practice firm. Three category of CMA, CA and CS all will benefit from this decision. So hope you understand that. We can easily understand as a student that in earlier stage we need to take DT class from this place. From my, for example, I have already told one of the example that my friend taken IDT class from Lakshmi Nagar, accounts class from ITO, DT class from Patel Nagar. So he need to feel tiredness, he need to spend money, he need to traveling time. Okay, now due to the online classes at under one roof, online classes through Google Drive or Pen Drive classes, you can take you can buy the best teacher classes under a one roof at home. Okay, so this is the benefit of this decision taken by Government of India. If you as a CMA want to start, you can also understand that if you are working with as a team with CA, CS and CMA as a partner, so yes, I am accepting that as a signing authority you cannot sign the tax audit report or financial audit report, but at least you can understand, the work. Okay, you cannot sign company related work, compliance related work. At least you can understand the knowledge. Okay, you can enhance your knowledge, grow your knowledge. So hoping that you understand the benefit of this decision taken by government for the CMA profession. Still you have any doubt or need any guidance or need any help, you can ask me. Surely I will try to help you. From my side, that's all about this video. Bye guys.